So without wasting time, let's go straight away with our videos. Yo, don't tell me this is a joke. Oh boy. Need for speed. So what did you run for?
Get on the ground.
Why? Why did you run?
You're gonna get tasered.
Oh, come on. Is that a joke? How can you run away with this? That is super fast. Oh! Oh! Wow! Wow! Wait, how many people are inside? Like 2 people, right? Yeah, 2 people. These people are crazy, you know. Oh, definitely they'll be busted. Yeah, we have 2 people inside. Boy! Don't tell me this is real. Oh no. No. I don't think the cops will get them. Wow. Oh, come on, it's late. It's late. Give up, boys. Give up. Wait. 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 Why? Seriously? My boy is gone.
Miles per hour, it's making a northbound shock. We're going to be on Grand River, we're actually going southbound, I apologize, southbound, 315th Street, and we're going to be 75 miles per hour, left lane, no traffic, no pedestrian traffic. Southbound Grand 215. We're continuing southbound, Grand River, 312th Street, actually through Rosa Parks, and we're still in the left lane. We're going to be 95 miles per hour, no pedestrian traffic, no vehicle traffic, very light vehicle traffic. We also status okay, Grand River southbound, continuing southbound through F Street. We're passing Worth City Casino in the right lane, and speeds are 89 miles per hour. We got the green light. Very light traffic, no pedestrian traffic. We're going to be through the watch on the right lane, and we're going to do very light pedestrian, actually very light car traffic, and very light pedestrian traffic. Actually going to 21. Speeds are 50 miles per hour. Continuing southbound to Grand River. We're coming up to 2nd Street. We're going to be in the right lane, and light traffic and no pedestrian traffic.
Look at he's just escorting the police. He's not running away.
We're downtown, and we're at the east, southbound River through Bagley, and...
Oh, yeah, let me see this, come on. Bastard! So you run away to be caught just like that. Are you stupid, bro? Oh, man. That's so stupid, you know. Bastard. Ooh. No, you can't run. You can't run. does it feel like a computer game? Road rash. Ooh! Boy! Oh! Oh, busted. Oh, wow. Wow. More cops. More police cars. So this guy has hit the 5-star button. Oh, there he goes! Bomb!